Hey, what's up everybody? This is Titan and Jeff, Titans of CNC, and it's the Beast. Check this bad boy out. That's our titanium line. We just machined at like 500 surface foot. Just killed it. Big old 10-inch diameter piece of 6L4V titanium, 17 inches. It's a beast. And guess what kind of coolant we use? We use the new Blazer Synergy 735. Oh, check it out. Oh, it's so clear. Oh man. It's like you can massage it into your face. You can drink it. It's a joke. I didn't drink it. I'm crazy, I'm bold, but I'm not stupid. Don't drink the coolant, alright? So anyway, I'm just playing around, but seriously, like, look at that. I play with it, right? Because it's different. Like I've used Omega, I've used Qualicam, Hangstippers, you name it. Synergy 735, and I'm telling you, this is the best coolant. I've used everything, and this is the best coolant, period. My guys love it. I absolutely love it. I don't care about putting my hands in it, you know what I mean? Like, it's just absolutely awesome. It's clear, you can see your parts, you can take videos of your parts, you like everything. And I wanted to get Jeff in here because Jeff,
yeah,
Jeff gets here every morning and takes care of the coolant. What do you think about this coolant?
Oh, it's great. It clears water, odorless. It rinses right off your parts, right off your skin. Just a quick dunk into water, rinse on your hands, it's gone.
It's gone. It's gone. Like you just hold it and it's just like, and then you just rinse it and it comes right off, right? It's a synthetic. You can run aluminum, titanium. It doesn't mess with your seals on your machine. It doesn't mess with your machine at all. You know what I mean? And it's just an awesome coolant. And we've actually used it for almost like 18 months because we were like, it was just awesome. We were like blessed to be able to be one of the test sites for the coolant. And as soon as we got it, my guys wanted it in every machine. And at the end of the day, if your machinist, your guys on the floor love the coolant and they're that high on it, then you know it's gonna be good, right? When I go home, my wife doesn't want, like, you know what I mean? She smells my clothes and it smells like coolant, you know? You have something like this, it's just not that bad, all right? So keep the wives happy, all right? Boom, CNC machining. Boom, Blazer Synergy 735. Boom.